So welcome back to my video, guys. So for today's video, nag-ayos si Aaron sa toilet namin, guys, kasi hindi siya yung flush niya ay nasira. So yeah, ito ang trabaho niya after sa work. So duty mode sa toilet. So ang ano dito, guys, sa mga ganitong gawain, kung mag-hire kayo, guys, napakamahal ng bayad. So buti na lang marunong si Aaron mag-fix ng mga ganitong trabaho. Sabi ni Aaron, guys, nice. Ay, Aaron, Ted. Mga anak ko, guys, napaka-busy rin. Si Jed.
I'm not Jed.
No. No. You're not Jed, you're Ted. Yeah, you're Ted. So, pagkatapos kumain ng barbecue, kumain naman yan, guys. Before ko sila bigyan ng chips, dapat kumain ng food muna bago chips. So, ito yun ang binili niya, guys. Replace all technologies. So, ito yun ang pinalit niya, guys. Why?
Sometimes you end up with an extra part.
Buti na lang, ito lang na toilet ang sira, guys. And then, buti na lang, may mga equipment kami sa bahay. May mga ganyan siya, guys. Mga gamit. So, no need na mag-hire ng someone to fix. Kasi mahal dito ang bayad. Mag-follow na lang ng instruction at ilagay.
They're all a little different sometimes.
Not too much of soft drinks, did ha?
He's dying.
No, it's not dying. This is my flower, guys. At the church. Mother's Day.
And then die. She's going to go in.
Say hi, guys. Say hi, Altia. Monkey eye.
See if this will work.
Ito yung trabaho nila araw-araw, guys, after sa school. Ganyan. Kung hindi umuulan, guys, mag-bike. Pero umuulan today. So, dito lang sila sa loob. Kanina guys, napakalakas ng ulan at may kidlat. Habang nagluluto ako ng barbecue, umuulan guys. Natatakot ako sa kidlat kaya
Ted!
huminto ako sa pagluluto.
Wash this come after us. Daddy! Daddy, you banish this with me. I'm gonna put those.
Can you say hi to my video? Can you say hi for a while?
Mama! Daddy!
What's that?
Dad! I just saw something. No, Puma Chikuni Chicken. The morning they need anything. That's it.
That's it? Say thank
In
you.
my day.
Nope.
Doesn't?
No.
Doesn't work?
Look, halfway.
It's working?
Ted. They have one.
Try again. Doesn't make any sense.
Why?
It just doesn't make any sense. They shouldn't. I just replace that thing. So you should get to right about there and stop. See, it just keeps overfilling. Try it this way.
So, ito yung pinalitan niya, guys.
Yeah, I mean, this is a pretty simple fix. I don't know why it's not, like it should stop. It should be stopping by
How
now.
about this? This is for what? This one. This one ba?
Oh, that's on the top. That's the plunger thing. Okay. All right, so. I can set it lower if need be, but that's probably
So, did you fix na?
yeah, it was just I had to ratchet that thing down a lot lower. Yeah, this thing just went kaput.
So, tapos na maglilinis ay mag-fix si Aaron, guys. So, say bye na. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Hindi naman sin, guys. You ignore me? You ignore me, Ted? Huh? Uh-huh. Ay, nako. Thank you for watching. See it. Your shoulder was so dirty again. Thank you for watching, Jed. Thank you for watching. See you to the next video, guys. My loves. Hindi ako pinapansin, guys. Hindi ako pinapansin. You ignore me? Did Jed?
I'm gonna lose, that's why.
Ah, okay.
No.
Because you're playing games.
Show my friends.